Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Deutsche Bank Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience. Deutsche Bank Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience offers an overview and analysis of your Deutsche Bank Wealth Management portfolio. It's targeted at existing Deutsche Bank Wealth Management clients who want a clearer picture of their investments performance and a deeper understanding of their financial strategy. Key features likely include portfolio performance summaries, asset allocation breakdowns, and potentially personalized financial advice based on your portfolio. Their website provides details on accessing this service. Their website highlights the service's ability to provide a comprehensive and easily understandable summary of complex investment data. It emphasizes the personalized insights offered and claims to facilitate better decision-making regarding your wealth. It mentions no specific pricing as it's likely included within the existing wealth management package. Access is limited to existing Deutsche Bank Wealth Management clients, and availability is determined by account status. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Deutsche Bank Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply logged into my Deutsche Bank online banking portal and navigated to the Wealth Management section. The interface was initially a little overwhelming, with numerous charts and graphs, but after spending some time exploring the dashboard, it became quite intuitive. I particularly appreciated the clear visualization of my asset allocation, which instantly highlighted areas where I might want to rebalance my portfolio. The performance data was presented clearly, with interactive charts allowing me to zoom in on specific time periods. I found the summaries incredibly helpful in understanding my overall returns and identifying any underperforming investments. I had a quick question about interpreting a specific metric and their customer support team responded within 2 days via email, providing a clear explanation. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited customization options for the reports. I would have liked more granular control over the data displayed. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Deutsche Bank Wealth Management Review. It's a valuable tool for understanding and managing my investments, even if the initial learning curve is slightly steep. The clear data presentation and responsive customer support are definite pros. That's my overview of Deutsche Bank Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.